Hey Mark, do you know that our mind is a very powerful tool and it is designed to think, and what we focus it will expand. Our energy is there. So, for example, if you focus the things that you don't want to happen, but your attention is there, anything that you don't want, like just scary things about life, or scarcity, poverty, scared of anything what happens in the future, for some reason, mind is controlling you. And what mind is designed for is to think a lot. But what we can do, if we become the watcher of the mind cannot control us. We just need to be present. We just need to become aware, to be conscious. And once we're conscious, the mind cannot control us. Because, for example, if you are angry, and anger might able to control you, and you become probably the anger, and it's not you. You are not anger. You are not called anger. You are who you are. You are the I am. So you need to be the watcher of the anger. You need to become the watcher of your emotion. Else, the emotion will become you if you are not conscious, Mark. So, be conscious, be present of the now, and you are much more alert than previously. When you become angry, that's the time that you are unconscious. Because if you have a choice, you don't want to get angry, you don't want to choose anger. See you next time, Mark.